everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at a product that could be a real lifesaver for many Brookstone iConvert scanner owners. The PK Power USB Cable Laptop PC Power Cord Lead, specifically designed for models like the 680-1999 Mini Document and Photo Scanner. If you've ever found yourself needing a replacement for a lost or damaged original power cable, or simply seeking a reliable, high-quality alternative, this is definitely worth considering. This isn't just any generic USB cable. The PK Power offering is engineered with precision, aiming to not only match, but often exceed the original equipment manufacturer's specifications. That's a significant claim, reflecting the manufacturer's confidence in their product. For anyone relying on their Brookstone iConvert scanner for digitizing important documents and photos, having a dependable power source is absolutely critical. One of the standout features of this PK Power cable is its robust safety profile. It comes equipped with OVP, OCP, and SCP protection. For those unfamiliar, OVP, or overvoltage output protection, safeguards your scanner from receiving too much voltage. OCP, overcurrent output protection, prevents excessive current flow, which can be damaging. And SCP, short circuit output protection, protects against short circuits, a common cause of electronic failure. These layers of protection provide immense peace of mind, knowing that your valuable scanner is shielded from potential electrical mishaps. Furthermore, the cable boasts impressive certifications, being CE, FCC, and RoHS certified. These aren't just fancy acronyms. They signify that the product meets stringent European, American, and environmental standards for safety, electromagnetic compatibility, and hazardous substance restrictions. This commitment to quality and safety strongly indicates a well-made product. Compatibility is key, and while this cable is a perfect fit for the Brookstone iConvert model 680-1999, the manufacturer assures a broader range of compatible models, detailed in the product description. This means if you own a similar Brookstone scanner, this PK Power cable could be your ideal solution. Finally, let's talk about the after-sale service. PK Power stands behind its products with a friendly and reliable customer service team that promises to respond within 24 hours. In today's fast-paced world, knowing that responsive support is readily available adds significant value to any purchase. In essence, for anyone needing a reliable, safe, and high-performance USB power cable for their Brookstone iConvert scanner, the PK Power USB cable stands out as an exceptional choice. It combines robust construction, advanced safety features, and strong manufacturer backing, making it a truly smart investment for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your scanning device.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.